गाइस, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम देवलीना एंड आज का वीडियो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू अनाउंस माय सेकंड गिव अवे ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर चैनल। नाउ फर्स्टली मैं बता दूं कि मैं अपने बालकनी में शूट कर रही हूँ, तो इसीलिए अगर आपको कहीं भी कोई भी क्रो साउंड या कोई और साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है देन आई एम रियली सॉरी। मेरा माइक काम नहीं कर रहा है, सो आई एम डूइंग द बेस्ट पॉसिबल थिंग विच आई कैन डू। सो फर्स्टली मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि आई एम डूइंग दिस गिव अवे इन ऑर्डर टू से अ बिग थैंक यू टू यू गाइज फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी सो immensely even after my last giveaway got over. You guys have been such a great support for me. You have commented, liked, shared my videos, and also another thing is that lately I have been getting some PR and मेरा face तो एक ही है and I am not able to use up all of the products. It is technically not possible to use so many products, so इसीलिए I am giving away those PR to you guys because मुझे लगता है कि rather than wasting a particular product, it is better that it will come to a good use for someone. So इसीलिए मैं ये डिस्क्लेमर देना चाहती हूँ कि all of the gifts that I will be giving you out are PRs which have been sent to me. So yes, let's firstly see what are the gifts that you will be getting if you win this particular giveaway. This time I have kept two winners and both of you will be getting 3 products each and 3 of the products are skincare products. So the first person will get 3 products. So the first product will be the Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask by the brand Scent Botanica, and this is how it looks like. The second product that you will be getting is this one. This is the Vitamin C E Hyaluronic Brightening Night Cream. So this is basically a night cream that you will be getting. And the third product that you will be getting is this one. This is by the brand Khadi and this is the Khadi Herbal Face Wash in the variant Sandalwood and Honey. So this is how it looks like. So the first winner will be getting 3 of these products. So it is a peel off mask, a face wash and also a night cream. Coming to the second winner will also be getting 3 products. So the first product is this one. This is by the brand Body Avenue. So you will be getting the Body Avenue Vitamin C Facial Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. So this is how it looks like. Now this has a serum in it and also a dropper in it. So as you can see, this has both of that. So basically this is a vitamin C serum and vitamin C serum तो बहुत ही popular है आजकल. So this is the first product that you will be getting. The second product is again by the brand Body Avenue and you will be getting the Intense Under Eye Cream. And मैंने इसका formulation actually देखा है. इसका formulation बहुत ही अच्छा है. I really liked it. So this is the second product which you will be getting, an under eye cream. And the third product you will be getting is again by the brand Khadi and this is the Khadi Herbal Face Wash, Sandalwood and Honey. So the second winner will be getting 3 of these products. Coming to the rules of this particular giveaway, I have kept the rules very simple, just like the last time. So first rule of this particular giveaway is, of course, you have to subscribe to my channel. The second rule is you have to follow me on Instagram. And the third rule is just like the last time, as I have not yet reached my watch time limit of YouTube. So you have to go ahead and watch 3 of the videos completely and you have to completely watch that video and then comment down below on those particular videos as to what was your favorite portion of that particular video, so that I can understand that you have watched this particular video. And also another thing is that मैं ये सब कुछ track कर रही हूँ, so I know the people who are watching the videos and I know the people who are not watching the videos. So इसीलिए अगर आप cheating कर रहे हो and you're telling me that you have watched it, I will definitely understand that. So yes, please keep it genuine. you have to watch 3 of my videos. अगर आप उससे ज़्यादा watch करेंगे then that is very good. That will really help me and also earn you some brownie points. So definitely you have to watch any of my 3 videos. And also the fourth rule of this particular giveaway, which is not a compulsory rule, it is completely optional up to you. लेकिन अगर आप ये करेंगे तो आपके chances जीतने के बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. So basically you have to share this particular video with your friends and invite them in order to subscribe to my channel. Also, you have to be active on my YouTube as well as on my Instagram. So if you are active there, I will be seeing your genuine efforts from your side. So basically this is not a random giveaway. This will be an effort based giveaway and I am noting everything and tracking everything. So I will just request you one thing, is that last time जब मैंने giveaway किया था, after the giveaway I actually saw some people unfollow. So मुझे वैसे सब्सक्राइबर्स रियली नहीं चाहिए जो सिर्फ गिव अवे के लिए आते हैं. आई वॉन्ट सब्सक्राइबर्स हु विल बी जेन्युइन टू मी. सो दैट इज द रीजन, इफ यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस गिव अवे, please do it genuinely and not only for the prizes, because I can understand who are genuine and who are not. So once you are done following all of the rules, make sure you comment down below telling me that you have participated in this particular giveaway and also which of the 2 prizes you would like to win in this particular giveaway, and also leave down your Instagram handle so that मेरे को पता चले कि आपका Instagram handle कौन सा है, so that I can track you. And also अगर आपको कोई और questions है about this particular giveaway, do check out the description box below क्योंकि वहाँ पे मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से रूल्स मेंशन कर दिए हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर गिवअवे, एंड मैं कब रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस करने वाली हूँ. सो आई हैव केप्ट अ लिमिट दिस टाइम. सो right now we are at 2200 subscribers. So the time I reach 2600 subscribers, at that particular time I will be announcing the giveaway. So I felt कि 2500 maybe थोड़ा सा जल्दी हो जाएगा. So that is the reason I kept the limit to 2600. So definitely invite more and more friends into this giveaway so that we can go ahead and reach the target. So जिस दिन मैं 2600 सब्सक्राइबर रीच कर जाऊंगी, I will be announcing the winners of this particular giveaway. I hope you guys liked the gifts of this particular giveaway. Give this video a big like if you liked this particular video, and also do not forget to follow all the rules and comment down below what you think. Definitely participate in this particular giveaway, and all the very best, and thank you so much for always supporting me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.